Okay, today I'm gonna make a bento. First bento I've ever made. Well, I'm living in Japan, so I might as well make a bento. I see all these bentos at the supermarket, you know, on the magazines and on TV and on YouTube, and they look so cute and they look so good. So yeah, I'm gonna make a bento. My first bento ever. So here we go. Yeah, gotta get an apron. Gotta use an apron because, you know, like this shirt I bought at the Goodwill for like 50 cents. I don't want to get any stains on it. I mean, I like this shirt. I'm a bit jazzed up here. Why am I so jazzed up? Yeah, feeling good. Some of the juice maybe. And now I'm going to show you exactly what we use in the bento. Of course we got rice. We got rice, but then we got other stuff. So here we go. Alright, is that it? Maybe. Alright, so we got rice, and we got some of this rice. What do you call it? Gives it a little flavor. I don't know. I'll show you later. Okay. I've got some of this ginger, and it's sliced ginger, and it has miso flavor, whatever that is. I don't know. I got some of this seaweed here. I got some of these pickled cherries, and I got some wieners. Some wieners. I'm gonna make into taco wiener. First, we gotta get the rice. I have a rice cooker over here. If you don't have a rice cooker, you should get one. It makes life so much easier. You just wash the rice up, pop it in there, boop, bing. It's 1 hour later, it's done. Okay, rice. I'm gonna put some rice on here, and then we're gonna start. Gotta get out the rice spoon. You don't want to damage the rice cooker. Okay, we have our rice on the cutting tray. And now, I'm just gonna shape this rice into the exact shape I want for my cute little bento. We don't want it to be little kitty-chan. We don't want it to be like Hello Kitty. We don't want to be like Mickey Mouse. We want to make like a manly bento for a man. So I'm gonna make a shape of that, sort of. It's hot. Oh my God, it's so hot. So, cold water is your friend here. You want to get your hands wet with some water before you touch the rice because it's very hot. You don't want to touch the hot rice with your hands. And then you can just shape it up. First of all, you want to shape it into a ball. And if you're a juggler like me, you can just pop it up like that. Just pop. Ball. It's like a baseball. But this is boring. Boring ball. Boring. So we want to make this cool like so. We can just smash it down like Play-Doh. Smash it down. Rice is very versatile vegetable. Vegetable? Or is it a meat? Or is it a fish? I don't know. Doesn't matter. It's very versatile. Okay. And then we can use a knife. And we want to cut it into the shape we desire. What do we desire? Well, let's try something like that. It's sticking. It's sticking out. Okay. It's stuck on it's on the floor. It's on my socks. It's sticky. Water is your friend against rice. Water is the enemy of rice. Rice will stick like No, I didn't cut myself. I know you wanted me to cut myself, but I didn't cut myself. Cut any shape you like. Alright, I picked these up at the 100 yen shop, dollar store, kind of like dollar store. And it's just a little bento box and it says lunchtime at the front. Lunchtime. So I can't eat at dinner? What are you talking about? Why I can't eat at breakfast? Fine. Alright, lunch. Lunch only! Spatula. I'm going to pick up my little thing here. Water, once again. Water is your friend. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I forgot the most important thing about a bento. The most important thing is seaweed. Flattened seaweed. You can do anything with this stuff. See that? It's perfect. It's seaweed. It's flexible. Flexible. And you can use a knife. And you can cut scissors, and cut it up any way you like. So I'm just going to cut a little bed here. There we go. Good job there. Good job. Stuck on the bottom of my sock. Look how high I can pick my leg up. Don't touch your foot to the right. Don't touch your foot. Now that we have our onigiri done, do you remember what onigiri is? It means rice ball. Onigiri, rice ball. Now that we have our shaped rice ball done and it's in our bento box, we can decorate it with all those cool things that I brought out earlier, like the ginger and the pickled cherries. And all right, we got our onigiri done, so it's time to make our octopus sausages. We have our little sausages out here somewhere. Yes, all right. Their sausages are a little bit different than American sausage. In America, our average size is about 6 inches, but in Japan, the average size of a sausage is about 2.5 inches. Turn that baby on high. Turn that pan on high and pop in some oil. Okay, while we're doing that, while the pan's getting warm, we're gonna put our little bento box over here, and I have rice on the bottom of my sock and it's sticking to the floor and I'm having trouble walking. Okay. So we got our sausages. One sausage. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut it this way once, we're going to turn it that way, and we're going to cut it again, and then we're going to cut each leg so we have 8 legs. Okay. Can you see that? See that? 8 little legs. I cut it in about at the half mark, and I got 8 legs now. It's kind of tricky because you got to hold the head. You got to hold the head, and with the chopsticks, you got to spread the legs. Spread the legs. Yeah, some people are good at spreading legs. Some people are bad at it. But I'm pretty good at it, so I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? Alright, we got our little octopuses done, aren't they cute? Look at that little octopus. Down the drain. So you just take your chopstick, you poke a hole, 3 holes, one for the mouth, one for the eye, one for the other eye, and then you just stick in. See, I made a little piece of carrot here for his mouth. And then I'm going to use a little sesame for his eye. Okay, we finished our octopus sausage. So we can put these little guys, into our bentos. And we're basically done. There we go. Now all I have to do is eat it. So I'm going to eat it over there.